everyone. Jill Fink here, the Director of Discipleship and Formation. This summer, St. Odilia's had the opportunity to hire new staff for the parish in our catechetical efforts of forming disciples. And so the Holy Spirit really answered our prayers in bringing to us staff members who are culturally mindful, as well as many who are bilingual in both English and Spanish. And so our tradition of offering programming both in English and Spanish will continue now, even with a stronger partnership as we work together with those ministry teams that we have in order to serve all members of our parish. And so what I wanted to do this morning is just to take you through our faith formation staff. So that office is here so that you can get to know them a little bit better as these staff members take on working with both of our communities, so our English speaking and our Latino community. So we're going to go on a little tour here through the offices so that you can meet the people. Let's go. Okay, the first person that you will undoubtedly meet is Linda Doer. Linda is our administrative assistant of discipleship and formation. So Linda's primary responsibilities are for the communication of our department, for registration, and also for sacramental records. Next, as we move along through here, the next office that you're going to see is for John Heyer. He is our spread coordinator, which we are really hoping that we are going to be able to offer that this year. In addition, though, this space also serves as a volunteer place. So as you are looking at your gifts and talents for this next year, for you to be thinking about perhaps coming in and giving us some time as well. We always have some projects. Linda has things for database and sacramental records to help out with, so be mindful of that as well. All right, the next person that we're going to meet, we'll see if we can find someone who's going to be working with youth. Godzilla Mikko is our new coordinator of youth discipleship and formation. And Godzilla will be working with our confirmation program as well as youth ministry for grades 6 through 12 and our young adult ministry.
Hey guys.
The next person we'll come to is Christian Reyes Rodriguez. He is our coordinator of elementary discipleship and formation. Christian will be in charge of K through 6 catechesis on Sunday morning for our Latino community, as well as our Wednesday night family faith program. Christian will also be helping with the sacraments for the Latino community, and he also does all parent ministry for both communities.
Happy to be here.
All right, the next person we go down here for is a familiar face for many people. This is Sandy Cortez. Sandy is our coordinator of Latino ministry, and Sandy's role is very vast, but is a little bit of change to it. So she will be assisting both Godzilla and Christian in our catechetical efforts for our Latino ministry. She is also branching into some new areas as well, as she'll be working with quinceañeras, with Father Tim with marriage preparation. She's also greater support for the pastoral ministry. And then all those beautiful communications that you see that she does for in the Spanish language, that is Sandy doing those.
Hello everybody.
All right, and then if we turn around on the other side of this, we'll see yet another new face. This is Father Tim Tran. Father Tim is our parochial vicar, and he's also has one of his biggest focuses to be working with the Latino community. So saying Mass on Sunday mornings in Spanish, helping out with the pastoral needs and the marriage preparation. He's also going to have some help this year from Father Scott Carl, who is from the seminary, who will be also coming on Sunday morning to help out with the Latino community and serving their needs.
Hello. Hola.
All right. And this room over here is a space that we are converting in order for us to offer a very strong virtual learning opportunity. We know that this year is going to be a hard year as far as people who might not feel comfortable coming in person. And so we are offering for both the Latino community on Sunday and the English speaking community on Wednesday evening to be having this virtual option. So this is the room where we're going to be shooting different messages every week for parents as you receive those lessons, that you can feel empowered to be able to do those lessons with your children. And one more office over here, and this one happens to be mine. So I'm proud to be your Director of Discipleship and Formation. So in addition to being leadership and the administration of the department, I am also in charge of RCIA for both communities, also adult education, and so I'm happy to serve you in that as well as baptism. So thank you for going on a little tour here of our Faith Formation offices. Staff is very excited to be working with you this year. Please feel free to contact us all. We're very excited to be working with your family to grow in discipleship. May God bless you.